Hi guys, I'm gonna be vlogging my trip today. Well, not really a trip. I am doing a little shoot, I guess you could say. I'm gonna be filming a new intro today, so I'm gonna be showing you guys some behind the scenes of that. I have 4 outfit changes. My outfits are back here, as you can see, and I'm wearing one right now, trying not to wrinkle it. So stay tuned for some fun. Alright guys, I made it to the place that I'm going to be shooting my new intro for my YouTube videos. And before I start this shoot, I just want to show you guys how amazing this place looks. I've taken pictures here before, like maybe 5-ish years ago. No, not 5, maybe like 4-ish years ago. And it reminds me so much of a princess castle. So that's why I wanted to come and do my intro here. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like. How pretty is this? It is a chapel. Also, they have church services here too, but it is a Monday, so nobody's here. And it's just a beautiful place to shoot videos and take pictures, so I'm very excited to be filming here. Let's see. Getting major princess vibes in here. Oh my goodness, yes. Yes, yes, yes! Alrighty, just got done filming in this first outfit. That's what it looks like. I love this outfit so much. I'm gonna go do an outfit change and then I'll be back with outfit number 2. Alright, I'm doing shoot number 2 and we're trying to get that perfect shot. So let me see if I can include you guys in this one too. Set you up right there. Okay. How did I do? Okay, so I got the second shot in. Now time to change into outfit number 3. And it is so hot out here. It's the first day of July. Temperatures are like high 90s, so I am sweating. And yeah, stay tuned for outfit number 3. Okay, so I changed into this little number. So pretty and pastel-y. And now we're gonna go shoot outfit number 3. So let's go see what we can find. I just can't get over this view. Hold on, there we go. This view is so pretty and princessy. Alrighty, so let's take a walk because I don't know where we're gonna film this outfit at yet, but I'll be sure to post where I got these dresses down below. Some of them are like a couple years old, so I don't know if they'll still be there, but I could at least tell you where they're at, or where they're from rather. I really hope my makeup's not melting off, but we're done shooting outfit number 3. Now changing into the final outfit, and I'll see you guys soon. All changed into my final outfit. It's this little pretty little pink number romper. So cute and flowery. And yeah, we're gonna shoot this final look and then maybe go grab some lunch because we haven't had lunch yet. We're hungry. It's hot out here, and here we go. And that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this little behind the scenes of me shooting my new intro for my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to get home and start editing this and seeing how it turns out. And I hope you all have a magical day. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.